Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your username and password in cPanel with GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your accounts. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and if you already have one, login, and after logging in successful you can get started with opening up your cPanel dashboard where you can find all the info that you have, your file manager, databases, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with finding our username and password in GoDaddy. So as you can see on the official GoDaddy.com website, there is an article that says how to find your passwords in web hosting for cPanel. So basically what you want to do is follow the steps right here. Find this article and you can get started. So your cPanel username and password are exactly the same as your primary FTP username and password. So if you're going to go ahead and use FTP to move website files to your account, your FTP will ask for a username and password, and that's where you use your cPanel username and password because they're the same thing. So basically they are the same thing as your FTP username and password. So if you do not know those, they are going to be similar, so you can use them. So if you need any more help, you can go ahead and search on GoDaddy.com for any articles regarding cPanel and how to find your usernames and password. So just go and follow the steps right here and get started with using your database, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.